Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this super quick and easy fresh makeup tutorial. This is going to take us about 10 minutes and it's that perfect look to do right before your next Zoom call. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm super excited because I am going to be using all Bobbi Brown products, as this video is sponsored by Bobbi Brown. I am so excited to be partnering with them. I've loved Bobbi Brown for such a long time, especially recently. I found myself gravitating towards their base products a lot. Like, I'm obsessed with how it just makes the skin look so fresh and dewy and glowy. It's just perfect. So you'll see me use these along with other products, but I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks again to Bobbi Brown for partnering with me. And without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start by applying a little bit of lip balm. This is the Extra Tint Lip Balm in Bare Pink, one of my favorite shades, and it's just so hydrating. My lips have just been so dry these days, so I like to start with a little bit of lip balm. And this one's nice because it hydrates and it gives you a little bit of color. On to the best part, and that is prepping my skin with my favorites. I mean, ever since I started using these, I'm just so impressed at how my base just looks so much better. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base and the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. So I'm gonna start with the face base. It's basically a super hydrating primer and moisturizer all in one. So you don't even need to put moisturizer on. I put a light layer when I get out of the shower, and then I just lather this on, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. So I massage this in and it instantly just hydrates the skin. You know how when your skin is super thirsty and it just needs a nice hydrating, moisturizer or primer? This is it. Like, it just instantly hydrates and it just feels so good. Like right now, I'm telling you, my skin just feels like it was so thirsty and it really needed this. So I do this now every time I wear foundation because it's just so good. I mean, it makes the foundation look super flawless, and it also just makes it look a little dewy and just healthy. So I apply a very small amount all over, and I take it down to my neck as well. Sorry, I have my mirror on the side, so if I look here, that's where I'm looking. Moving on to the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base, and this stuff is so good. It hydrates the skin, it also softens and smooths it, so it's just perfect right before your corrector or your concealer. I love a lightweight eye cream that feels very hydrating because, again, your girl has super dry skin all over, so I just need that boost of hydration. But I do love a light kind of formula, if that makes sense. My base feels amazing, so I'm going to move on to my foundation. So for my foundation, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15, because why not? A little bit of extra SPF doesn't hurt anybody. And I'm actually going to use my fingers to apply this because anytime I'm running late and I have 10 minutes to get ready, I try to use my fingers as much as possible because it's just like so much quicker. So I'm just going to apply this as if I'm applying my moisturizer. I love this foundation because it just looks very skin-like but still provides a good amount of coverage for everyday use. I just love it. I'm going to move on to my corrector. This is the Bobbi Brown Corrector in Peach Bisque, and I'm actually going to use my fingers again because it's very quick and easy, and also your fingers warm up the product and it actually looks a lot more skin-like on the skin. So I'm just going to press this underneath my eyes and just blend it out. So I only use a little bit of this because, as you can see, the difference is pretty big. It just brightens the under eyes, and I love applying this on the inner corners, especially because that's where I have a little bit of blue. So if you have any imperfections like dark circles and things you want to correct, I would definitely say apply a little bit of this first and then move on to your concealer. Moving on to my concealer, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer. I've actually been using this a lot these days, especially when I wear no foundation and I just want my skin to be bare. I just apply this where I have some breakouts and then just blend it in. Okay, and then I'm also going to apply this underneath the eyes. And I have two shades of this. Sometimes I do mix it up if I have a little extra time and apply a little bit of the lighter shade right above that because I feel like it just brightens it even more. So I'm just gonna press that product and really blend it in. I'm gonna move on to my brows, and I'll be filling my brows in with this Longwear brow pencil. It's just great because it has a spoolie on one end and a pencil on the other end, so you can really fill in the sparse areas and then flip it and brush the hair upwards for more of a natural finish. Okay, moving on to some blush because I need some color. I'm gonna apply this cream blush. This is the Post Rouge for lip and cheek, and it is such a gorgeous color. It's a perfect peach, and I'm actually gonna use my fingers again and just apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And this is a really nice kind of sheer formula, so it looks very, very natural. And again, just skin-like. That's my vibe. I need everything to look super natural. I'm also going to dust a little bit of this Bobbi Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to get this on the hollows of my cheeks and kind of blend it up. Of course, we can't forget about the highlighter, so I'm going to go in with this one. This is just such a gorgeous shade and just the most beautiful glow. This is the highlighting powder in Afternoon Glow. So I'm just gonna apply this on the high points of my cheeks with a fluffy brush. And this is, again, one of those highlighters that just looks so natural and skin-like, but just gives you a beautiful, healthy glow. I feel like especially if you have textured skin, this would look so nice because it's not overpowering and it looks very skin-like. For my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. It's one of those things that is just so easy to throw on. If you're running late, you literally just apply this all over, blend it with your fingers, and you're done. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this bronzer just on my crease to open up my heavy fold. I'm going to finish the eyes with a little bit of mascara. This is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I love how compact the packaging is. Okay, and then finishing off the look with a little bit of gloss. This is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Oil Infused Gloss, and this is in the shade Free Spirit. All right, so this is the finished look. Love how it turned out. It's just me. I feel like this is my Zoom call signature look. Very fresh. It's all about the skin, that healthy glow, and it just takes 10 minutes. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link every single product that I used in the description box. You can find all of this on bobbibrown.com, so be sure to check below because I also will have information about my live stream. I'll be doing a live stream with Bobbi Brown on their YouTube channel, so I'll be using some of my favorite Bobbi Brown products, hanging out with you guys, doing a look, so definitely check that out and come join me if you can. But other than that, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.